Alright guys, I had a question about how to find the domain and range of this graph. So first of all, again, remember that domain is left to right. So that's your x values. So we're going to go from the left, see where the graph starts, okay, and then go all the way to the right and see where it stops. So if we look to the left, it starts here. Okay, that arrow means that it goes on forever. The negative numbers on the x-axis, because we're talking about left to right, are on that side. And so it's going to start with negative infinity, always parentheses on infinity. And then where it stops, all the way to the right, is this arrow. And again, this arrow means that it goes on forever. And so this direction is your positive x values. So we will use positive infinity. Okay. Your range is your y values. It goes from bottom to top. So again, we're going to look from the bottom. We're going to come up, see where it starts. Well, this is the point that it starts at. That's the lowest point from the bottom. And again, those are negative numbers on the y-axis. And so we're going to use negative infinity because it goes on forever that way. Then the same thing, if we keep going up, the highest point that it hits here, that's what happens on the top of it. And again, this arrow means it goes on forever. Those are the positive y values, and so it will be a positive infinity.